Hello everyone and welcome back to Little Rocket Labs. So if you go through the copper mine, you're going to want to go this way to get the lighted helmet if you haven't found it yet. But if you have found that, you're going to want to go down here. Where all of these rocks are. Be careful, there are a lot of slimes, so you may want to grab Toasty. Helps when I don't get stuck. They all run away when I hop on Toasty. It's practically humorous. Okay. Run through here, and you may not want to block it so that you can take Toasty over here. There's a huge rock that has to be mined. But you will find the slime hat. So you can pick to wear the slime hat or the hard hat, depending on whether or not you're in a really dark area or it's really well lit. But now they will no longer attack you, so it is definitely worth it. And if you haven't really gone down the copper side and you're coming up the other way, from the beach side, then you are just going to go straight because here's the entrance. Go across the bridge to the right and then down this little area. So that's how you get to it from both directions. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more.